Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you guys some essential Windows shortcuts to help you get around Windows just a little bit better. Now, before we get into that, if you're interested in your own copy of Windows 11 or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. Now the first cool shortcut that you might not be aware of is Windows and D. Press these two together, it's gonna reveal the desktop or bring back the window you were just in, basically. So hide, and show. Super quick, super easy, super useful. Next up is Windows V. This is gonna show us our clipboard history. So if we need to paste something in that we copied 10 minutes ago or 30 minutes ago, this is where we're gonna find that, and we just have to turn it on. Now another one you guys might not be aware of is the magnifier. So we can use a shortcut which is Windows key and plus together, and then minus again will bring us back out. So nice little shortcut to use the magnifier. Now let's say I'm on a browser and I want to make a new search. Well, there's actually a shortcut for that, and the shortcut is Control and K together. So here I'm browsing the Indigo Software website. Now if I hold Control and press K, we have a new search query at the top and we can just start typing away. Now if I accidentally close one of my tabs in my browser, for example this one here, I can actually hit Control, Shift, and T together to bring back any recently closed tabs. Next up we have Windows and Tab. We hit these two together, we get a view of all of our tasks right here in front of us, all nice and neat, so we can know what we're running or what other things we might have open. Next up is Windows L. This is a quick shortcut to actually lock your screen. If you work in an office or you're in a public space and you're leaving your computer, it's a good idea to do this on a regular basis. And then the last one that we have for you guys is Windows key and X. It stopped my screen recording on the last one, but it's the same thing, but instead of locking your screen, it's gonna shut down your computer. If you guys found the video helpful, we'd really appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And again, if you're interested in your own copy of Windows or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.